Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Learning Way. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix update error KB5066189 and KB5066188. Fix, reset and recovery bugs your latest Windows update. If this not installing, it is getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it. Before you begin, like this video, subscribe to support our channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu. Then click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step, services. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that services, just click to open it. Then scroll down, find Windows update. Just click to right click on the properties. If the service status is stopped, just click to start button. Then service status is change it running. Just hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next step, update file delete. So go to the file explorer, then click on the local disk C, then click on the Windows, then scroll down, find software distribution, double tap to open it, then select it all. Just click on the delete button, click on the continue. Once it click to delete. After that, close it, then restart your system. Then again check it, your Windows update. Again it not working, then go to the next step for the troubleshoot update. So again go to the settings, just click to open it. Settings search bar, just click to, then type Windows update. Then scroll down, click on the find and fix problem Windows update. Then click on the next. Is detecting problems. Wait here. This additional problems. Okay, it is finish it. Then close it. Then go to the final step Windows update. So again go to the settings. Click on the Windows update. Again start it. Click to download and install. Click to update that latest reset and recovery bug. Fix it. Update. Just click to update then your problem. Fix it finally. I hope this video helpful for you. Like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime.